for self-introduction. For that activity, student make a circle. My name is Priyanka.
My name is Sohan. My name is Ayat. My name is Neil. My name is Mona. My name is Jami. My name is Kasturi. My name is Wal. My name is Man. My name is Wan. My name is Pat.
My father name is Prabhakar.
My father name is Ranjit. My father name is Mayur. My father name is Sanjay. My father name is Yogesh. My father name is Ranjit. My father name is Amrut. My father name is Amar. My father name is
Subhash.
Subhas. My father name is Amrut. My father name is Ram.
My mother name is Babitai.
My mother name is Prestri. My mother name is Nilfa. My mother name is Jeshi. My mother name is Rupali. My mother name is Kajal.
Mother.
My mother name is Sujat. My mother name is Kavita. My mother name is Pooja. My mother name is Sridhar. My mother name is Varsha.
My surname is Hamberde.
My surname is Metange. My surname is Sheikh. My surname is Chenot. My surname is Tide. My surname is Gosal. My surname is Dawad. My surname is Bakar. My surname is
Gawai.
Davi. My surname is Amrita.
Dawad.
My surname is Jadu.
My favorite color is pink.
My favorite color is red. My favorite color is orange. My favorite color pink. My favorite color is pink. My favorite color is red. My favorite color is red. My favorite color is yellow. My favorite color is my favorite color is
Blue.
my favorite color is orange.
My favorite game is volleyball.
My favorite color is
Game is cricket.
cricket. My
Favorite game.
favorite game is Coco. My favorite game is lemon. My favorite game is Coco. My
Favorite game is
favorite game is Coco. My favorite game is Longdi. My favorite game is football. My favorite color is
game is
Coco. My
favorite
favorite color is
game is
ball. My favorite game is kabaddi.
my hobby is reading.
My hobby is dancing. My
Hobby is
hobby is reading. My hobby is painting. My hobby is painting. My hobby is reading. My hobby is drawing. My hobby is reading. My favorite
hobby is
hobbies.
drawing.
Drawing. My hobby is kabaddi.
Reading.
Reading. My hobby is drawing.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
In this way we take chain drill activity. Do you enjoy that activity?
Yes.